Maximizing your Shopify store's reach. How Feedofy app by Xstack generates dynamic marketing feeds for Facebook, Google, and TikTok. Are you a Shopify store owner looking to expand your reach? Look no further than the Feedofy app by Xstack. With this powerful app, you can effortlessly generate dynamic marketing feeds for Facebook, Google, and TikTok. Boost your advertising campaigns. Feedofy takes the hassle out of creating product feeds for various advertising platforms. It automatically syncs your Shopify store and generates optimized feeds, ensuring your products reach the right audience. Tailor your listings. Enhance product visibility with custom marketing attributes using Feedofy's custom label feature. Feedofy automates the process, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, you can focus on growing your business instead of wasting hours on feed management. Reach more customers. By leveraging the power of Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads, you can maximize your store's reach and attract more customers to your Shopify store. Say goodbye to complex feeds management and hello to expanded reach with Feedofy app by Xstack. Install the app now.